Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simplykay back with another video. We are here for the second cash stuffing of February. As you can see, I have a little new setup. I've had this bad boy for a long time. It was in one of my old videos and I was like, let me pull that out and get this little setup a little bit more organized. So here we are with our new setup. Hope you guys like it. Give me your feedback. I would love to hear. We have a lot to do today and I don't want this video to be too long. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaylin. I am a 25-year-old registered nurse who is budgeting to save money and get out of debt. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey boy, hey, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this video. Without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and let's get into it. Okay, so we are gonna start as always with our wallet. I do go out of the Moterm wallet. Now y'all, I'm kind of upset that I got this color because I see some cute ones out there and I'm like, I'm kind of over it. I love it still gonna use it, but when I save I might get another one, maybe like a white or a black one. Like I just want something plain. So gas has $25 in it. We're gonna put this aside. We have $10 in total. I'm just gonna take out 5. I should take it out. Oh, actually, no, I'll leave it in here. Food has $5. Shockingly, I can't even believe that. And shopping has $5 left, which I can't believe that either. This gift card is actually all used, so we'll take that out of there. And I already put my coins in here, so then we can do our coins. So today gas will be getting $70. So we're gonna take a 50 and a 20. So we have 70, which I will be using today because I need gas. Toll has 5. It's just going to be getting 5. I know it was silly to take out 5. I'm just going to put 5 back in there, but just so you know, nothing gets confusing. Food is going to be getting $20. Been working pretty good for me. Date night is going to be getting $25. So put that in there. Try to see if we'll maybe go out to dinner Valentine's Day. Shopping is going to get $20. I do not need anything, but hey, just to have something in there. And that is it for that. So I'll put that over here. Then we're going to do our cash envelopes. So Fun Money has $15 in it, and we're just going to be putting 5 in today. So we have 10, 15, 20. Self-care has $28 in here. It should 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. So we're gonna put these $3 over here, put it separate. And so now we have 25 and it's going to be getting $20. So we should have a total of $45. 20, 30, 40, 45. Which looks good. I did something new with the nails. I got the oval shape and I'm liking it. It's dip powder, natural. It's cute. I wanted to do something different. So emergency fund is next. It has $470. It should. And we're going to be putting $10. So we should have a total of $480. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 410, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 480. So we are getting to that 500 points. Car maintenance has 85. We are going to be putting in 15. So we should have a total of 100. I am not left-handed, so bear with me. Alright, so 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Finally, got this bad boy to 100. Medical dental has 105. We're just going to be getting 5 in here. So we should have a total of 110. 100, 105, 110. And that is that. So a lot of people ask, I will do like a video or maybe something on Instagram showing people how I decide how much is going in what envelope. Basically, it depends on what I need or what I'm prioritizing. But I kind of just have that set number. So usually it's anywhere between $200 to $250. Today we're stuffing $450, but that's including my grad school savings and my savings challenge. So really with just the cash envelopes, we're working with $250. I'll write that number out. I'll have my calculator next to me. Usually I do my wallet first because that's all the stuff that I really need. Like my gas, I cannot not put like a certain amount in there. I need the gas. Toll, I always like to put something in. Food, shopping, and date night, like those are my 5 priority envelopes, so those usually get more. And then basically what I have left over, I try to divvy out between these 2 binders, which it'll just depend on what is needed. I'm not really trying to build anything up per se at the moment. I'm just trying to maintain like putting money in each envelope as much as I can every time I have a paycheck. Like I don't want any envelope to not get something. So that's basically how I sit. I just play with the numbers and I see what works for me and what I need at the time. So birthdays and funds is something that I'm prioritizing. I did put a little bit more money in it in the beginning of the year. It has $110 in it now. We're going to be adding 5 to it because as you can see, like the number grows. Even if you put $5 in the envelope one week, it grows. Like $1 is even something because each paycheck that comes, you're just adding. So any amount helps. So I just don't want to not put anything in the envelopes just because I may not need a lot in the envelope right away, if that makes sense. So birthdays and gifts has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115. So that is that. Hubby has $20 in here. He's going to be getting 10, so he should have a total of 30. So 10, 20, 25, 30. Like we're just trying to build right now. Vacation has $20. We're going to be putting 10. So we'll have a total of 30, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And I'm loving that I like went down on the amount of numbers of envelopes I have because it allows me to work with things more and contribute to each envelope every paycheck. So grad school has $1,000 total from what's in here and what's in my bank account for grad school. So today we're adding in 100. So I did decide for the summer, we're actually saving right now for summer classes of 2022, and I did decide that I'm only going to take 1 class in the summer and just give myself a break, and then I'll return in the fall because, you know, just working, it's just been a lot. I kind of just want to relax in summer and have a nice time and just focus on other things. So I decided to take 1 class, so I only need, I think 1 class is $1,500, I think. So that's what we need, and after adding this $100, we'll have $1,100. So we only need $400 more to save for the summer. So that is like perfect. I might have like a little fee for like registration, but we'll account that in as well when we budget. So we should have 600 right now. So $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, $600, and we have the $500 in the bank account, so we have $1,100, and we need $400 more to go for the summer. And I don't know how I'm going to do it now. I don't know if I'm going to take the time, since I'm taking some time off, to use the money that I'd be putting towards grad school towards Sallie Mae, or I don't know if I will continue to save in my grad school envelope while I'm not in class. It'll just depend. Maybe I might do it in half, so I'm saving for both at the same time. I just haven't decided yet. So next is textbooks. Textbooks has $5. It's going to get another $5, so we'll have $5, $10 in here. Christmas is going to be getting $10. We have 30 in here now, so we should have 40. So 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. And as you know, our goal for this year is 500. Simplykay has $130. We're going to be adding $5. I do want to get a new ring light, but I'm trying to like prioritize and see. I think I'm going to have some more orders coming up for some events, so I'm just trying to hold out so I can use that money for that instead of like, I have ring lights at work. I just want to like upgrade and, you know, invest in myself, but I want to wait and make sure that I have enough to do both if I have like a big order come through. So 100, 120, 125, 130, 135. And that's another thing. During the summer, I want to be able to work on stuff like that, so we'll see. P.O. Box is getting $5. We have $10 in here currently, so we will have a total of 15. 5, 10, 15. And then when God blesses me, it's for me to bless you, is our giving envelope that has $15 in it right now. We're adding the last 5, so we should have a total of 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. And this will go towards our 3,000 subscriber giveaway when we get there. So that is that. So next we're gonna do the dollar savings challenge, which I did finally cash the money, y'all, and I finally put a slip in here. So we're starting off with $4. I did keep the $2 bill because I was like, I can't give it away yet. So we have $4, and out of this money we have $3 we're adding to this, so we will have a total of $7. And what I did with that other $100 was put it towards my savings challenge for myself this year, because I didn't really have a set thing that I wanted to use that money for. I was like, let me just roll it over into my savings this year, and now, you know, we bumped that up and I'm on target with where I wanted to be with that. So we have $7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. And I am excited for that. So we'll put that back in here and put that all to the side. And then this is the savings challenge for myself. So after I added in that $100 from the dollar savings challenge, we have we had $355, and then we'll be putting in $100 today, which will get us to $455. So I am like super excited with this because that's a lot of money. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 440, 450, $455. My goal is to get to like $1,000, but now I'm like, you know what, I might be able to do a little bit more. So we'll just see. We'll just keep putting the money towards that. And this savings challenge envelope is for just for myself, so I can have stuff to do in the summer, like if I want anything, if I want to go anywhere, just like self-care, all about me. Like, this is my money. I work hard for it, so I wanted to start putting money aside to go towards myself and just really make that a priority because it's important. So over here we have $40, and we will be adding this to, let's see. I want to add it to, I'm gonna add 10 to Christmas. So now Christmas will have 50. So 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That'll just get us up a little bit. And then, what else do I want? Try to be wise in picking which envelopes or what. So for self-care, I'm gonna put this other $10 in, so we have 55, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, because I've been doing the self-care, y'all. I've been doing it, and it has made all the difference, just taking time for yourself, and you know, it's important. Okay, then the next $20 that we have left is going to go in emergency fund, so we will have 500 now. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 430, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 500. Yes, y'all. Last, we're gonna put the coins in our coin savings challenge. We have 57, 76, and we have lots of coins. So let's get these bad boys in here. A lot of quarters this time. I didn't have like anything last time, and now I have all these coins. Some extra stuff in there. $62.83. $5.07. That's crazy. Alright, so that is all that we have for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!